My experience with SME has been very good. I was told about SME through a friend.
Initially, I came into contact with SME through family and friends who advised me on the process of application.
I originally found out about SME from the internet as I was searching for medical studies.
Once I was in contact with a member of SME, they advised me on how I should collect my documents.
His name was Anthony, and he told me about the documents I needed to collect. Once I collected the documents, straight away I got my acceptance letter.
SME had a pre-departure briefing where details were given about the relocation process. I was told about SIM cards, bank accounts, Bulgarian ID cards and much more.
I received a relocation email about how to book the flights and how to get to Stara Zagora.
Once I arrived in Bulgaria, I was greeted by the city manager. As a group, we all took a coach to Stara Zagora, where we had a conference on what came in the following few days.
The city managers were really helpful. They helped us open our bank accounts, get registered to the university, helped us buy our lab coats, get our SIM cards, our accommodation.
I have found living in Stara Zagora better than I expected. It's a really lovely small town with lots of shops and restaurants within a walking distance.
Very green. The food over here is very delicious.
And on top of that, the cost of living is very low.
The people over here are very friendly, and I love learning the new Bulgarian language, Bulgaria.
I've been happy with the course, especially with practicals of anatomy and histology. Professors are being very nice and helpful, and the faculty is looking nice.
I've really enjoyed learning about anatomy and all the bones in the body. As well as this, we've learned how they function in the body, and I'm sure this will be useful in my future life as a doctor.
We do a lot of lab reports, we do a lot of lab activities, we've even seen a morgue, so it's pretty interesting.
The best part of this experience has been living abroad while studying a degree and meeting people from all around the world.
I actually have the opportunity, which most people don't get, to actually go ahead in my life and become a doctor.
As a student in Bulgaria, I'm very lucky to have SME by my side. They have helped me throughout my application process, and I know they'll be with me for the next 6 years.